Okay, I wanted to come on here and show you my Hippy Dippy junk journal. I'm not completely done with it. I haven't decorated the front, but this is my journal. I've been making some junk journals for different people recently, and I took time out to make one for myself. And today's my birthday. To my mail lady, thank you for the note. I appreciate that. And I wanted to show you. It's pretty thick. I haven't started. I've written a few things in it, but it's not anything I don't want y'all to see. It's got 2 signatures in here. Can't see through here. Anyway, I'll flip through it right quick. Green is my favorite color, so I put this little coloring page in here from a coloring book. This is a little note I put in all my journals. It's just for a journaling prompt to give me something to write on a page if I'm blank, don't have anything. Little list of things to write about. I just use scraps of paper. This is from a master board I made. A lot of my journals, I use pages from calendars. Can you see that? It folds out. I use shopping bags, ledger page, book page, craft papers, junk. And now this is something I wrote in here. It's a note about my husband because he buys me candy. And I'm diabetic, but I eat it anyway. Not all in one sitting, but I do like my chocolate. I created some art, and I just have it stacked around, crammed in little places, so I put them in my junk journals. It's a little strip of paper that I made on the sewing machine. A little flip pad, invoice. This is some more art. I was cleaning my brushes and it looked like flowers, so I just drew them in with ink, watercolor and ink. Another mushroom. That's actually where this goes. Tuck spot right there. Pocket. These are some Hippy Dippy butterflies I cut out of a magazine. I just freehanded those. Alright, this is going to be a couple of takes because I do not live alone. This is the little pocket. This is an art card one of my grandkids did. Whenever my grandkids make me anything, I just want to save all of it. So a junk journal is a perfect place to put it. This is something to write about later. This is an envelope note that my granddaughter wrote on a piece of paper a long time ago. I thought it was cute, so I drew some little flowers around it. It's preserved it. This is a place to write. Tuck spot. It says, nourish your soul. And I find junk journaling to be very satisfying. So this is a little paper clip and a toilet paper tube. Got a card inside with a little place to write. And this is the second signature. And I tried a little waterfall paper thing that I saw Sue on Sue's junk journal do. Mine didn't turn out great, so I just drew some flowers along the edge, and I had some matching butterflies, and I pieced them together between the page. Put a pocket here on this one and some more little butterflies. Sorry I keep shaking, y'all. I don't do this very often. This is my word for the year. Be. And it comes out of there. This little card I did with some be present, be busy at home, be attentive. It's just an encouragement. Be holy, I think one of them says on there. little pockets, little ephemera. I love trains, so I stuck that in here. This is my own journal, and since it's my birthday, I hope to fill it up this year. Probably a couple of months it'll be filled up. Some more of my own artwork. Just preserved it, stuck it in there to make a flip out writing space. Envelopes, little tuck spot. This is a journal card that I made. And I made this out of a pudding pack from Jell-O pudding. Stuck it in there. I like the brown paper, the other side of that flip out. I like to make these little ruffles for the edge, just stick on the pages. I use a lot of junk mail envelopes for cards, tuck spots, places to put writing spots, and another pocket place, candy wrapper for my daughter. I tried this. I've never tried one before, and she got me one to try. If you watch Beetlejuice, he was eating a Zagnut bar. He referenced that in the movie. Some more artwork. A quote by E.B. White from Charlotte's Web. With the right words, you can change the world. And that's my thumbprint. I did that with some tooties, kids that I was teaching to read a couple years ago. Watercolor. I found this. This was on the front of a calendar somebody gave me, and I'm using the pictures. And it says, "Please keep our children in your prayers. I'm truly thankful for all your support." And I just wanted to preserve that. It was on the front of the calendar. And whose kids don't need prayers, especially these days? So I just put that in there because it was a nice reminder. Another junk mail envelope that I made into pocket with a journal card. And a little place to write card. It just tucks in that window. Some of my own artwork again. This is just glued down. I like that picture. It was from the, I don't know, magazine. Or co-op, electric co-op. Ruffle from some fabric. I saw this. I can't remember the name of her channel, but she was talking about 5 things to journal about in your journal. So I just went ahead and made this spread. Haven't written anything there. Another pocket. Page tab. More pockets. More places to write. This is just a little book with little scraps of paper. It's real wonky and crooked, but if you need a piece of paper to tear out of something. I did write here. This is got some texture to it because I used it to make a stamp. And so I traced over it, so it's real textured. But I drew this sunflower to make a rubber stamp on some foam for my sister-in-law's journal that I'm making. And you can see that it works right here. And then I also made this little Black-Eyed Susan. And some of the pages are just blank. I haven't done anything with them. Journal card. Journal card. Another one of my grandkids' art cards. I thought that that rainbow looked kind of like the colors in this picture, so I stuck it down there. And most of the artwork that's in here is mine. I don't mind showing y'all. I just like to doodle around. This is from a napkin. My son took us out to eat on New Year's Eve, and we had hibachi. And I cut that rose out. Stuck it on there. And that's it. The fabric is from my mother-in-law's house. All these little pieces right here. And this is made from a mailer. And I just sewed them all down and just ran it through my machine. So it's real thick. And I can't wait to fill it up. And I just wanted to show y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.